Okay, I wanted to add something, and I'm going to add it to that video. As far as the share structure, okay, I mean, everybody wants to know how many shares are out there, and everybody talks about what's the float, blah, blah, you know. But anyway, here's how you find it out. You can get it from a 10Q. You can get the authorized and the outstanding. But lately, OTC Markets has been providing float and more detailed share data. So if you go to Summary, click the Summary button, and then go to, yeah, there it is right there on Summary. You have security details, okay? If you click on More, it will give you more details about the share structure, okay? So the authorized you get from a 10Q, but that might change. They try to keep this pretty up to date. They have this transfer agent verified. But anyway, so you have your authorized here. Your outstanding, okay, is 475 million. Then they have restricted and unrestricted, and a lot of times they will have the float. But here's the deal. The outstanding shares minus the restricted is the unrestricted, of course, but that is also the float, okay? The unrestricted is the float. I mean, that's what's out there trading, okay? So here, even though they say float not available, what it really is 440 million, okay? If you subtract the restricted from the outstanding, you get the float, basically. Alright, I just wanted to add that, and I'm going to see if I can scooch that into the original video. Alright, thanks.